Hello, good morning. My name is Darshan Roita. Today I will explain gangrene. Why early detection matter. The first one is introduction. Gangrene is in the death of body tissue due to loss of body supply or severe infection. Commonly affects feet, toe, finger and limbs. Medical emergency requiring prompt treatment. Causes of gangrene: poor blood circulation, severe infection, trauma of injury, burns of frostbite, blood vessel disease. Type of gangrene: dry gangrene, wet gangrene, gas gangrene, internal gangrene, foreign gangrene. Early signs and symptoms: skin discoloration, swelling and redness, severe pain of numbness, foul smelling, discharge, fever and weakness. Why early detection matter? Prevent spread of infection, reduce tissue damage, loss risk of amputation, improve treatment success, save lives. Complication of delayed treatment: sepsis, excessive tissue destruction, organ failure, limb amputation, death. Diagnosis: physical examination, blood test, imaging, tissue or wound culture. Treatment: antibiotics, surgical removal of dead tissue, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, restoration of blood flow, amputation. Prevention: good diabetes control, proper wound care, avoid smoking, regular food inspection, seek medical help for non-healing. Conclusion: gangrene is a serious but treatable condition. Early recognition and promote medical care can prevent severe complications and save limbs and liver.